Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my channel Automation with Priyanka. Today in this session, I will be discussing Appium real device setup and how to enable USB debugging for the Android. Okay, so the very first step is we need to connect our device with this machine, and through the device we will see how we can automate any mobile application, right? This is a real device setup. Step number one, that we are going to use one of the very important application, that is a Vysor application. I will show you how to install it on your local machine, and then we will see some steps to enable USB debugging. You can see these are the different steps which we need to follow. Somewhere what happen, whenever you enable the USB debugging, automatically it install driver. But if suppose there is no driver available, right, then we can manually also install those driver. And for that, you can use, okay, as per the Google. If it is Android, then you can take directly. If it is a Google, it is available from the Google, then you can directly download this Google driver. Otherwise, there might be possibility that every device they might have their original equipment manufacturer driver. Okay, so we need to download the driver from OEMs. So we will see that. Okay, if it is required to download, then you can follow these two links. Otherwise, we will see how we can directly connect our device with the Android application. Okay, let's see. Very first, let's start with the Vysor application to be download. So guys, when you open Google, right, just search for here Vysor download. Okay, and you can see here you will get this link. Click on the first link, Vysor download. As per the platform, you can install Vysor application for your machine. I'm using Windows, so let me click on Windows platform. Then it will give us download option. Click on the download, and now it will start downloading, right? If it is not started yet, again kindly follow the step and see it has started. Correct? Now we need to install Vysor application on our local machine. So let this first install, I mean download properly, and then we can install it. So it is 120 MB file. So let's wait till the time it is downloading that app, and then we can continue how exactly we can able to install it. So once it is downloaded, you can just open in the folder and you can double click on it, right? Let's start installation for this application. Okay, it will ask you to allow the access, allow it. Okay, and here you can see you will able to observe this particular Vysor window, right? Now, currently, if you can observe, it is saying that, okay, no Android device are connected. Please ensure that Android device is connected with the data cable and the USB debugging is on, right? So actually, we need to understand how we can make it enable our USB debugging. So as per the device, you need to enable it. And then as I told you, right, Windows user need to install this ADB drivers also. So let's understand these two steps more. So guys, if I click on Android USB debugging enable option, you can see these are the steps which you need to follow, right? Check your phone, okay, or restart your phone and restart your computer. You will be surprised, okay, how this often this fix things, right? And make sure that you are using USB data cable. Accidentally, you are using a charging cable will not allow to data transfer, right? So it should be data cable only. And then you can simple download the universal ADB drivers also, right? If that doesn't work, try installing your manufacturer driver also, right? And enable ADB debugging, guys. Nothing but your USB mode. Again, you need to start and you need to enable it. In fact, they have given some YouTube video reference also. This you can follow to enable your simple USB debugging. Now let me show you what to do. So I'm just going to connect, first of all, my Android device with this data cable. Whenever we will connect, right, it will ask you to enable USB debugging. Means very first, my data table data cable is connected. Now let me just show you the step. If I go back to the Vysor application, okay, at this moment, Android USB debugging is enabled, right? We need to confirm that by following this all steps, right? So let me show you what to do and how to exactly complete this step. Okay, so on my device, I have follow all these steps, right, which I mentioned here in this PPT. Okay, so very first you need to come to your about phones. Then there you will get one build number, right? You need to click on build number 7 to 8 times, and then under developer options, you can enable USB debugging. Okay, it will give you one pop-up, allow the access, and then only you can see once the USB debugging is enabled, then you will get this option, right? Now you can just click on view device and you can see it is installing Vysor APK directly on your device also. And after that, you will able to see same image. Okay, whatever device image is there, you will able to see on your screen. So currently you can see I'm on this screen. So I'm just getting this image, right? So my device is actually connected. Let me show you what the options I have actually followed to start USB debugging. Guys, you need to come to the settings. Okay, let me show you. Before connecting this device to your, okay, this with the Vysor application, you need to make it enable. Okay, USB debugging enable. How to do that? First open your settings. Here you will get about device. There you scroll down, right? Under version, you will able to see version number or build number. Here you need to click multiple time, I mean 7 to 8 times on that build number. See, I'm getting a message, no need that I'm already developer. But in your case, you will become a developer, right? Means you will get that message that it is enabled and now you are a developer. Once you are a developer, come back and then you will get this option additional settings. Under additional settings, you have to come to the developer options and there you can see you have to click on this USB debugging on. Okay, example, if I'm connecting it, right? Now just have a look. If I again add it, okay, let me retry. Now here, let me retry it. Okay, okay, just have a look one more time. Let me make it enable because if you are not making enable it, then it will not connect, right? So basically, you have to allow this debugging, right? USB debugging. Once you complete this step, you will able to see allow option. And once you make it allow, now your device is connected with this app. You can see same image, right? Entire image I can see on this particular, okay, Vysor application. So basically, this is how we have connected our real device with this Vysor application. And now we will see in the next session how exactly we are able to, okay, start our automation on this real device also. This is all about today's session. I hope you understood like how you can connect your real device with the, okay, Vysor application. Now once you have this image, now I will show you, okay, how you can use Appium, and through the Appium how you are able to pass your instruction to your real device, and here how you are able to test your application. So that's all for the day. Thank you so much everyone.